What do you say we take a step back to the old neighborhood? If you remember the old neighborhood, you knew the best joints with the best food. The corner bar with that great burger. Ribs at the barbecue joint. Every neighborhood had that one pizza joint down the street that had the best pizza ever. You want a good plate of spaghetti and meatballs? Or some linguine with clams? You knew just the place to go. There was even that one place up the road that had the real chef, the white tablecloths and fancy menu place. But even that was in the neighborhood, so that was where you went for special occasions. I grew up in one of those old neighborhood joints and worked in a few more. Let me take you back. I'll show you some real food made with real friends and enjoyed with real friends. This is old neighborhood cooking. Tonight, linguine with clams. I learned to cook in the family restaurant. Worked with my uncles, grandmother, my grandfather. Developed finally into Chef Garibaldi. One of my favorite things to cook and eat, linguine with clams. So start by heating up some extra virgin olive oil and then saute some onions. You don't want to brown them, you just want to sweat them a little bit. And then you're going to add the garlic in. Use 5 or 6 cloves, stir them around. It's good stuff. Just slowly saute it till it gets nice and soft. And then you're going to add in your drained clams. And again, not a real hot fire. You don't want it to burn. You don't want it to crackle. You just want it to saute it a little bit. In the meantime, get your pasta cooking. Ma Shavi always taught me to pull the pasta out of the pan, out of the boiling water a couple of times, toss it around while you're cooking it, and it improves the texture. Not sure if that's true or not, but I always do it anyway and think about Ma when I do it. Back to the clams. Should be getting really nice and fragrant, maybe a little bit of color to it. And now you're going to add some chopped tomato to it. Stir that in real good. Keep that moving around in the pan, and then you'll add a little bit of chopped fresh parsley. Adjust the seasonings a little bit. Salt, pepper. Keep it stirring around. Add the rest of the tomatoes in if you need to. let those tomatoes reduce a little bit, and then you'll add in the reserved clam juice. Keep stirring, and then we'll go back to your pasta and reserve a little bit of cooking water from the pasta. Next, you'll blend in some grated Parmesan and then a little squeeze of lemon juice. Let it all simmer, nice and easy. Adjust the seasonings if you need to. Add a little more Parmesan, little parsley, whatever you'd like. Make it taste good to you. If you need, you can thin it out a little bit with some of that reserved pasta water. And while it simmers, go ahead and drain your pasta. Put it into a couple of different bowls or plates. Let it simmer. Get the pasta in the plates. Bring over your clam sauce and ladle it on. Don't forget those big chunks of garlic that we kept in there. They get so sweet after cooking in the clams. One of my favorite things. And then, mangiare.
is so nice, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. I soup a minestrone just to be with her alone, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. Ti voglio bene, Angelina, you adore you. Ti voglio bene, Angelina, I live for you. Yeah, Mastrone, set my heart on.
Old Neighborhood Cooking is a production of KP BP TV, Midwest Stream TV. Old Neighborhood Cooking is brought to you by Doc's Drugstore. Old-fashioned fun in a nostalgic atmosphere. Captain Hank's Fine Seafoods. Fresh from the Great Lakes, Captain Hank's. Cups. Your ideas brought to life. Think cups when you think cups. Knives R Us. When you're the sharpest knife in the kit, you're it. Diver Dave's Deep Dive Charters. If it's getting deep, it must be Dave. Tommy Gunn's Adventure Vacations. Corporate team building, reunions, or retreats. Your adventure awaits. Old Neighborhood Cooking is made possible by a grant from the GFP Relax Foundation and viewers like you.
You're watching KPBP, your streaming video channel in the Midwest.
Leave the gun. Take the cannoli.
You're watching KPBP, your streaming video channel in the Midwest.